channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can restrict users from recovering the BitLocker key from their own devices, right? So you may be wondering, right, being as an admin, you want to restrict if you are managing your Windows devices through Microsoft Intune, how you can restrict so that user will not able to view the BitLocker key, right, from their own devices, either by the company portal or through company portal web, right, mainly. So how you can restrict that being as a global admin. So this is the Microsoft Intune Azure portal or Entra portal, whatever you call it. You have to log in with a global admin to make changes, and as soon as you log in, you have to go to the Microsoft Entra, and then you go to the devices because we are just making changes, and you see the BitLocker. There are many way, right, how users can view the BitLocker key through Microsoft Intune company portal, as you can see here, or Microsoft Intune company portal, which is the URL is portal.manage.microsoft.com. User can see their devices, and they can click on the devices, and you can see the BitLocker key as well, right? So this is the web portal, right? So how you can restrict that so that user will not able to see the BitLocker key from here, or only admin can provide the BitLocker key to access the laptop, right, Windows laptop. So you have to go to the Microsoft Entra and go to the devices here, and under the devices setting, if you scroll down, you will see there is other setting in the far down. So here, if you just hover your cursors to eye, it will give some detail here. So these settings determine if user can self-service recover their BitLocker key, right? So if it's selected no, by default it's selected no. No means it will allow all users to recover their BitLocker key from the either Wave company portal URL. Because we are going to restrict it, so we have to select yes. If you select yes, then what will say, it will restrict the non-admin users. If user is a standard users, right, that is called non-admin users. If user has the permission of admin, of course they can run the command right, to get to view the BitLocker key, right, by using the CMD or PowerShell, right? So if it's non-admin users, from being able to see the BitLocker key from their own devices, if there are, right? So if you select yes and if you save it, the user will not able to recover the BitLocker key from their Intune company portal. If it's a non-admin users, or if it's just standard users, they cannot see the recovery key by running the script as well, because you will only run the script if you have the admin access to your laptop, right? This is how, as soon as you disable this setting, yes, this is the only setting. And then if you go to your Microsoft Intune portal, if you have Windows devices, you can click on Windows devices, and you'll see here, once you click on one of your devices, I don't have any devices. If you have any Windows devices enrolled, you will see the BitLocker key there. So admin only have to give, or your help desk can give the BitLocker key to the users to access the laptop. So user will not able to see or grab that BitLocker key from the URL, which is Microsoft Intune company portal, or through script if it's standard users, because you have restricted it through Entra, right? This is how you can restrict and safeguard your users to by not showing or not getting the recovery key, just to access the machine, right? I hope, because if in some cases, like if the user ID and password got compromised, then user can, anyone can access their recovery key and get access to the secure boot, right, a machine, and unlock it and do whatever want to do, right? So I mean it's better to restrict these settings so that user will not able to recover the BitLocker key, right? Only admin or your help desk team has access to share that recovery key only after the user has been authenticated or validated by over phone call or whatever. So this is how this is what I am going. I have explained. I have just shown you how you can do that. For more further information, don't forget to subscribe and keep exploring the latest video on our channel. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.